Hi friends, in this video you will learn how you can change damaged belt in motor pump. You can change it yourself. This is damaged belt and I purchased new one. This damaged belt is severely worn out and I want to replace it with new one. First, in the smaller pulley at the motor side, just fix one end of the belt and other end fit at larger pulley. Just raise it and rotate slightly here one sound. Yes, it is fitted correctly and see the number, belt number. You got to purchase the same belt with the same number. Here B41. Maybe company different, but that number size should be same. Then only it will fit